For any financial institution looking to grow, and really, who isn't, a brand based on sound strategy is essential to success, which is why we presented the Brand Strategy Masterclass at the Financial Brand Forum this year to help people leverage their brand to connect and grow with the right audiences. Brand differentiation is key to driving that growth. Brands that are distinct in the market earn twice the shareholder return than undifferentiated brands. Using their archetypes, values, purpose, and position can set brands apart. But only 15% of all brands are categorized as differentiated, which means they are not leveraging their value. Valley Strong, a credit union in California's Central Valley, rebranded to reflect their rich, rooted relationships to reach new members. And in so doing, they increased their asset growth by 170% in just 4 years. And Bravera Bank built a bold new brand for the Northern Plains and grew from 2.1 to 3.1 billion in only 18 months. Brands that want to differentiate will think different.